I met up with my friend Calvin at a coffee shop just to talk video stuff. And we realized that it was 7-Eleven, July 11th, and that means free Slurpees.
Brought a friend today.
We just kept talking and talking, and we didn't really end up getting any coffee.
So we have free Slurpees. Coming to 7-Eleven.
Yes, ma'am. I've never been so excited in my life. Made with 3% real juice. What's 97% of it made out of? Why did you take the lid off?
I don't do this very often. Alright, what was this called again?
Blue raspberry?
Blue raspberry. Made with 3% juice. Real juice. Cotton candy. Definitely raspberry.
It just tastes like sugar to me.
It has that like cotton candy taste to it. That's the first impression I got.
It just tastes like 97% of nothing.
And then a little bit of bubble gum.
Really?
That's what's coming to my brain right now.
You have such a complex palate. I can't taste any of that.
I don't really. Sometimes I mostly think of like memories. So memories would hit me first, and then I would describe the flavors.
I remember this forever. We should have gotten a slice, to be honest.
A slice of pizza.
Yeah. Are we going to another one? Are we just gonna have like?
Do you want to go to another one? Alright, let's do it.
All right, on to the next one.
Also, you know what's also interesting? This is a little airy. It's like fluffy. So that's why I thought about cotton candy, because of the texture.
That is very true.
Look how fluffy it is.
It won't even focus.
Because you're too close.
Oh, that makes sense.
So zoom in.
Oh, wow.
You see that? Like, it's perfect texture.
Hard might decline. I think
You haven't transferred the money from your savings to your checking
you
account.
already know.
Slurpee Palooza.
Oh, we're effing that up.
I'm gonna try the cherry limeade.
I'll try the blueberry lemon. I couldn't speak for a second.
Blueberry lemon.
Blueberry lemonade is right away, bro.
Thank you so much.
I gotta go have some pita.
So what are you getting?
A steak keto thing.
So for today's drink, I'll be using these 3 challenge items to make a drink. So I had about like 5 sips of each Slurpee and I just couldn't take it. It was just too sweet. It was not enjoyable. I'm gonna reuse the cup and the straw for this drink. So today we're gonna be making a tropical pineapple coffee Slurpee. So first we're gonna make a house-made coconut cream. I'm using a recipe from artofdrink.com. I'll link it down below if you want to follow it. But I'm using 1 can of coconut cream and then 375 grams of sugar. And then I'm just gonna heat it up, stir it, and put it into a squeeze bottle. I've tried this recipe before and it's way better than the store-bought cream of coconut. So unlike the first Slurpee that I had that was only 3% real juice, we're gonna be using 100% real juice for this drink. And we're just gonna make some fresh pineapple juice. We're gonna cut the skin off. And then just remove the core. And we're just gonna cut around it. The core is unusable, there's no juice in there and it's a little tough, so we're not gonna use that. And just cut it into small pieces, and if you have a juicer, just go ahead and extract the juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can put everything in a blender, but you will need a nut bag to extract the juice and leave the pulp behind. Now we're gonna make some crushed ice using this called the Lewis bag. If you don't have one already, I'll put down a link below so you can go ahead and purchase one. We're gonna cut a lime wheel that we're gonna need for the garnish, and then just set it aside. So in our shaker, we're gonna need 1.5 ounce of cream of coconut. Make sure you get every drop out of there. Next, we're gonna do 2.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Make sure to stir it before to make sure that the solids haven't separated. Then 3.5 ounces of cold brew concentrate. If you have a weaker concentrate, try using 4. And 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Add copious amounts of ice on your larger tin, and then shake. And you just want to shake until the tins are frosted. Grab your Slurpee cup, fill it all the way up with crushed ice. Then we're going to add our liquid, and we're going to leave a solid 2 centimeter space. We'll be making an ice dome, so we don't want it to overflow. So a solid 2 centimeter room, and then just make a nice ice dome with the rest of the crushed ice. Now we're gonna add 2 pineapple leaves. You might have to trim them a little bit if they're too long. Now the lime wheel, just halfway through, and then we're gonna add a maraschino cherry. Finally, the straw. And there you have it. A refreshing, tropical coffee Slurpee made with 100% real pineapple juice.